slow time. When I was born in ROCHDALE, an old mill town. Look at it now. Prostitutes, guns, and all kinds of things. Used to wear cloth, and now they want a Gucci and a stoop-tailed Porsche car. Tell me what chance come from ROCHDALE. It ain't good no more to know. My mama used to work in the clothing trade. Well, she did it high time, 34 years. Now all everybody wants is cocaine. They don't want nothing else. Stealing your car, prostitute at the bus stop. You touched her, she said that's pretty hot. It ain't no mill town, no more. What's going on? Do you want to know? What's going on? What's going on? We spat around his gas and make a call at the station. To his brother, he got 2 big cases. I said, what you trying to fool me? Don't have no mobile phone. He said, no. He said, the call box over there. Can you hear some change and use it right away? I said, you think I'm a fool? Drug dealer, so he ain't seen making the call. So he ain't seen making the call. That's my ROCHDALE.3 and many other small time. That's what you get, and that's all it's gonna be forever. No more values like your mama used to have. Dad working hard, bring your minimum wage home. That's my ROCHDALE. It ain't really home no more. Nobody got clocks on, clocks on, clocks on. They got a Gucci shoe that I stole from some prison. No decency no more. The old mill town and the factory closed down.